Meaning of DORA.
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 DORA. DORA can have different meanings depending on the context. It could refer to the character Dora the Explorer from a popular children's show, or it could be an acronym for various organizations such as the Defense Office of Hearings and Appeals or the Division of Occupational and Rehabilitation Assistance. In computing, DORA stands for Discovery, Optimization, and Reconciliation Automation, a process that allows network devices to obtain IP addresses automatically and configure themselves without manual intervention. It is commonly used in modern IT infrastructure to simplify network management and reduce errors caused by human intervention.